Yo, all right, this it. This today. We finishing this thing today. I got the headphones on, got the J. Cole pumping. Y'all already know it's always Drake and Drake, but I had to, postpone Drake for a little bit because, J. Cole is out here. But anyway, we out here. We got the playset directions on. We got a little bit left to go. So hopefully we get it done today. Let's get it. Let's go. A quick view from the inside. We got the little door right here. It opens in instead of out, but got the little plastic thingies. Got the roof up here, even though the roof didn't fully close, which is weird. I mean, it's good enough. Got the bay window. Got the beer. And it's this window right here. Oh, we're about done. We're about done. But I just wanted y'all to see a quick little view. Continue to work. That's a wrap, folks. DUBS, the Carpenter, is signing off, man. This Montpelier Backyard Productions, I don't know what the hell they call it. They're a horrible company. Wouldn't recommend them. I mean, yeah, they had the pieces, but they left out pieces. They misplaced holes to be drilled. I mean, it was crazy. But hey, it's done. Got some swings, got a teeter-totter, got some monkey bars, got some ladders, got them a little summer home, and a slide, a bench to make drinks. Man, I'm tired. I finished before daylight went out, but we did it. This is the Triplet Playhouse. They got everything in it they need. Y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it was. It's your boy DUBS, CP. Here to do one thing and one thing only, and that's never build anything like this again. Deuces.